मीडिया और जर्नलिज्म हमेशा से डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा के दिल के करीब रही है। इन मुद्दों पर वो जब भी बोलते हैं तो आवाज उनके दिल से निकलती है। और ऐसा ही दिखा इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, जहां मुल्क के मशहूर मीडिया हाउसेस और सहाफियों के सामने उन्होंने मीडिया की ड्यूटी और मुस्तकबिल की चुनौतियों पर खुलकर बात की।
सिस्टम से हारा हुआ आदमी हमारे पास आता है। कुछ साल पहले हमने we did an extensive exercise. I, together with my colleagues from the journalism, media and editors, we all went to the length and breadth of this country. And we met at least 7,000 families, people. And they all said that you guys, you only talk politics, you only show something which you want to show, but you don't talk about my problems, my issues. At the same time, while blaming, they also said that you are only my last hope. So both messages were very loud and clear. And since then, we started in Zee News applying 6 methods or parameters of while giving a news. We trained our reporters, we did everything. For about a year, 2 years, we were even putting it on the screen that what lenses we have applied when we are giving you the news.
डॉक्टर चंद्रा ने मीडिया को सरकार और सिस्टम का फीडबैक मैकेनिज्म बताया और कहा कि मीडिया को पूरी तरह गैर जानिबदार रहते हुए खबर दिखानी चाहिए।
Its media is, as I said, that it's a feedback mechanism for the government. What is happening around in the country, any government, any system cannot, despite all the intelligence at their beck and call, still look for from you guys or all of us for the feedback. And if the feedback is suppressed, then it's more loss for the governors rather than the governed, is my belief. It's a information channel for that purpose, which the governors should use and take information for their own purposes. And then we are objective in today's social media world, when importance of the platforms is diminishing because whether it is government or a business house or anyone can use directly give their messages directly to the customer, consumers, public at large because of the social media and artificial intelligence and everything which is going on. But still, importance of the platforms like yours is very much there because they know, public know that if so-and-so newspaper is saying or so-and-so platform is saying, there will not be a fake news. So people are trusting. At the same time, in past few years, words like Godi media, words like designer patrakar, all those also sprung up, which is not good for all of us. But they are there, we have to accept it and keep our objectivity and apply our subjectivity with clear intent and honesty.
इस दौरान डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा ने पंजाब में जी मीडिया के ब्लैकआउट होने का मुद्दा भी उठाया और उसके पीछे की पूरी बात भी प्रेस के सामने रखी।
Z News, we are here to stand and fight for the freedom of press, freedom of media, despite the events which happened in last couple of weeks. Our people interviewed the Chief Minister of Aam Aadmi Party, and that interview was not published due to editorial decision, and they were naturally pursuing us that we must publish it. They pursued and started threatening that if you don't publish it, be ready to face the consequences. What consequences was the question in my mind also when I was told. Of course, they stopped the advertising from Punjab government, which was substantial. And second, third day, we came to know that the Punjab government put a very strong pressure on the local MSO of Punjab, who happens to be a monopoly in Punjab.
भारत की प्रेस फ्रीडम रैंकिंग से जुड़े एक सवाल के जवाब में डॉक्टर चंद्रा ने 30 साल पुराना तजुर्बा भी शेयर किया, जो उस वक्त मुल्क की वजीर आजम रही इंदिरा गांधी से जुड़ा था।
First time I saw the ranking being 159th on 3rd May only. I did not know before. I had never seen what is our ranking. But between that day and now, I have done a lot of research. I've gone back almost 30 years, and we have never been below 100. And it has been hovering. Sometimes it goes to 120, goes to 150, comes down to 120, like that. If you look at, and my press release is very, very clear, and I have given an incidence here. The governing class, which not necessarily only the central government, it could be a business house, it could be a state government, it could be a moneyed person, it could be a muscle person. To them, I call them as a governing class. Probably it's a mistake on their part, though I am nobody to suggest anybody that you are making mistake. They have to take their own decision. But Mrs. Indira Gandhi's defeat post-emergency time, when the elections happened, showed very clearly that if Mrs. Indira Gandhi as Prime Minister knew that her own people were committing atrocities on the general public, if she would have known that, I am sure she would not let that happen as Prime Minister. But she did not come to know why, because the same very people were censoring the media of that time. She did not come to know that this is happening on the ground. So at times they are making their own mistake by not giving this freedom. And it has been happening ever since. And now, at these current times, some of us have also started taking. ये तो ऐसा ही चलता है. And I'm sorry to say, I had to also seek change in my own organization, news organization, because some people said, okay, ऐसा ही है, we will have to accept. I said, no, we don't accept. जो सच्चाई है एक्सेप्ट करिए, नहीं सच्चाई है तो बोलिए, उसके लिए करेज तो चाहिए. I hope that answers your question. So we are also responsible for the low rating, equally.
चर्चा के दौरान एक सवाल ये भी आया कि क्या जी मीडिया और डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा के रवैये में क्या बदलाव आया है. इस पर डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा ने अपने पर्सनल और इंस्टीट्यूशनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज पर खुलकर अपनी बात रखी.
nothing has changed, first of all. Neither I have shifted my gear or anything. As far as a personal issue is concerned, I do practice the nation first philosophy. I have been myself a RSS स्वयंसेवक. They have taught me देश पहले और वो चीज़ आगे होती रही है. भाजपा as a political outfit have similar philosophy. So personally I have been supporter and I am supporter. Nothing has changed. But that is my personal private dharma. But मेरा दूसरा एक धर्म है. As a publisher, I have crores of people. I have my dharma towards them and to give them the truth and sachai and also respect their thinking, their desire, their demands as well at the same time. We were the first media who noticed in 12-13 that people are looking for a change. People are, due to some reason or the other, were not happy with that time's regime. We spotted that, we showed that. And I have never thought anything ill of the people, those who called me Godi media. It's their job, it's their duty. They are performing their job, they are doing their dharma. I am doing my dharma. So this Zee News for last 6-7 years have been very, very balanced. We have been giving every party equal time, equal things.
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा ने मीडिया से मुत्तहिद होने और आवाम के मुद्दों को मजबूती से उठाने की अपील की.
जो करें वो शिद्दत से करें और हमेशा मैं कहता हूँ ये बात, एक ही गुरु मंत्र मैंने सीखा है, वो ही बांटता हूँ और वो यही है कि लिव इन द प्रेजेंट. अगर प्रेजेंट में रह करके कोई काम करोगे तो वो बड़ा सटीक होगा, डायनामिक होगा. मारवाड़ी में कहावत है कि भूतकाल व्याकुल करे या भविष्य भरमाए, वर्तमान में जो जिए तो जीना आ जाए.